Hello and good morning. So today I'm just going to quickly go over Module 1 with you. I am in Module 1. You're going to notice under Reading and Resources, you'll find Track 1 and Track 2. Now, these are the tracks that will be used throughout your entire final project. So if you're going to stick with Track 1, you will always read the articles from Track 1. If you're going to be working on Track 2, you will always use the articles for Track 2. Now once you scroll down, you will notice this week you have to write a literature worksheet for Article 1. Now that means you're going to write a literature worksheet for either the article from Track 1 or the article from Track 2. Once you've picked a track, you're going to stick with it because you're going to continue adding to this worksheet. So here, highlighted in blue, you'll find an example of a completed worksheet, and you'll also find a video that goes over how to do the worksheet. These videos are just pretty simple, just gives you an idea of what you need to be adding. You can also go into your assignments, guidelines, and rubrics. I highly recommend you always look at the rubric before you submit something. That will always show you what you need to be doing and what I will be grading on. So for example, if we click here on the rubric for the worksheet 1, you can scroll down and it's going to show you exactly what elements I will be grading on so that you make sure and hit each one of those in order to get full credit. So those are found, each rubric is found in each learning module at the bottom, and that will take you into the different rubrics. Okay, so that is the assignment for 1-3 Final Project Milestone 1. You're going to do that literature worksheet this week and turn it in. Then next week, I suggest you go ahead and keep working and do the second article and do a literature worksheet for that one as well, because in Module 3, you're going to turn in 3 completed worksheets. So they're all going to be one right after another. You also have a discussion due this week. Your initial post is due tonight, Thursday, by midnight. And that is Eastern Time. After this week, everything will be due Eastern Time in your own time zone, but this week it is due tonight by midnight. And then Sunday, you will need to have responded to 2 of your peers by midnight Eastern Time. Now make sure that you are posting this week because there is a policy. If you don't post in the first week of class, the computer automatically withdraws you. So there's nothing I can do once you have been withdrawn to add you back to the class. So just make sure you do your initial post this week and then your 2 responses to your peers. If you go into announcements, you will see the announcement for Module 1, the welcome announcement, and then you can scroll down to the policy on late assignments. This is the SNHU policy. I will also put a copy of it on general questions as well as how I do my grades, everything that I grade. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email and just make sure that you begin working so that if you have any questions, you can contact me. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you next week.